Welcome to the OOP. The German software industry descends on Munich every January for its annual kickoff event. Now in its 16th year, it's one of Europe's biggest and best-known software conferences. There are many reasons to visit the OOP, as a visitor, as an exhibitor, or as a sponsor. Kick off the new year with the OOP. The OOP attracts some 2,000 delegates and exhibitors across a 5-day period and has become a fixture for a range of companies, large and small. The OOP has become an event you want to come back to every year because you really do have everything in one place. There's no other event in Germany offering such a wide spectrum of information on training and management and the corresponding tools. Naturally, you also come for the nice people and the sense of community. On average, 50% of visitors to the fair are here for the first time, seizing the opportunity provided by some 100 sponsors and exhibitors to get up to speed on the latest trends and technologies. Many of our long-standing clients come by to talk to us so we can freshen up the relationship, talk about new developments, and pick up on new trends and what's going on. On the other hand, you have potential new clients who make a first contact with us via seminars and then have the chance to talk to us in more detail and exchange know-how. IBM, Microsoft, Oracle, Zulke, Borland, and Gentleware are just a few of the IT specialists at the OOP.
It is very international.
Most of our conversations were with IT decision makers. For me as a salesman, I would say it's a good exhibition. It's more interesting for us because it acts as a bridge from business to IT. We meet exactly the target group we're looking for, architects and decision makers, the people we very much want to talk to. Renowned national and international speakers address the latest developments. The OOP is an ideal marketplace to present products and services to an expert audience.
This is probably one of the largest sustainable development conferences that I'm involved with. There are a couple of others, but others have been less successful where they, for whatever reason, for marketing, for targeting market, maybe slumps in industry, lots of different reasons. But as the commercial development conferences go, this is definitely, it has its own momentum, so there's a lot of familiarity in turning up to it. I think people like that.
The OOP brings exhibitors and sponsors together with software architects and system developers. But that's not all the conference has to offer. The OOP as a meeting point, a who's who of the software industry. What's more, the OOP offers custom solutions to fit every budget. The focus here is on methods and processes, on software engineering as an established discipline.
As an organization who sells technology, software, we have to be here.